We are exposed to billions of pathogens every day, but do you wonder why we never get sick? The moment a nasty pathogen enters your bloodstream, your immune system gears up to fight it, and one crucial part of that immune system are T cells, coming from the thymus. But let's backtrack. When a cell encounters a pathogen, enzymes inside the cell break up the pathogen into small parts called antigens. These antigens bind with major histocompatibility complex molecules, or MHC molecules, which then transfer the antigens to the surface of the cell. Normal body cells have MHC class 1, while APCs, or antigen presenting cells, have MHC classes 1 and 2. Now back to T cells. T cell receptors have two strands, usually alpha and beta, linked by a disulfide bridge. The variable regions at the top of the strands form the antigen binding site, where the T cell binds to the antigen and recognizes the specific part of the antigen called the epitope. Helper T cells bind specifically to MHC class II molecules presented on the surface of APCs with the help of an accessory protein called CD4. They exchange information with the APC using cytokines. APCs like dendritic cells and macrophages help to activate helper T cells, whereas APCs like B cells come to already activated helper T cells to get activated. Once helper T cells get activated, they proliferate and help activate other cells, like cytotoxic T cells. Cytotoxic T cells bind specifically to MHC class I molecules presented on the surface of infected host cells using the accessory protein CD8. Once they bind, they start destruction. They release perforin, which creates pores in the infected host cell through which released granzymes enter, tearing apart the host cell and making it cause apoptosis. Born out of the warfare and destruction are memory T cells, so that the next time the same pathogen infects your body, your memory T cells can proliferate and trigger other cells, helping your body combat the pathogen much more efficiently. T cells do an amazing job of protecting us, but they can also make mistakes, just like how my T cells always think that pollen is a pathogen. Always.